If I'm going to get in the ring and debate somebody, it has to be over something that's important, something that's relevant, not me trying to prove that I'm smart. If I'm going to debate, if I'm going to take my precious time, family, I have a job. I have a job, a full-time job. I've been making 5 videos a week, 2 live streams and 3 videos. That's where I'm at right now. So I've been heavy on YouTube. So I have a full-time job. I'm heavy on YouTube. And on my free time, I like to hang out with my better half. That's right. I like to hang out with my queen. So I ain't got time to debate nobody. And if I'm going to debate somebody, it better be worth it. It has to be for a cause. It has to be something that I will fight for, to represent and to defend Israel. It would have to be something that is important to represent the kingdom of Yah. Over everything, we must represent the kingdom of Yah. And it has to be something that involves improving our community. If anybody says that a woman is not created in the image and likeness of Elohim, I will debate that, and I will defend our women. As men, we must defend the daughters of Zion. I will debate that because that's a cause. I see a lot of weirdness in the awakening. I see a lot of copying in the awakening. We are actually copying the oppressor. When men, we assert ourselves way up here and put our women way down here. That's weird. That's strange. That got to go. Women and men were created in the image and likeness of Elohim. I will debate that. I will defend that. It's not even a debate. I'm defending that. All glory to Yah. If anyone was to come sideways and say that women cannot teach and lead men, I will defend that. I will debate that. Women can preach. Women can teach and lead men. Oh, yes, they can. Because in the Torah, we have that freedom to do so. We have to elevate one another, not keep each other down. If I'm going to debate, we got to have rules. We got to have a moderator, rounds, minutes. The audience gets to ask questions. A crossfire round where we ask each other questions. It has to be organized. It has to be in order, and it has to be for a cause. If anyone was to say that you are who your father is, I will debate that. That ideology that you are who your father is anti-black, according to me. If we really think about it. I'll leave it there because I don't want to go off on a tangent. What other topic would I debate? It has to be something that matters. The divinity of Yah is only masculine and not feminine. I disagree with that. The divinity of Yah is both masculine and feminine. I will debate that. Why? Because a lot of people think that God is a man. A lot of people worship a man. Christians, a lot of them worship a man. A lot of Brews as well worship a man. But it says in the Torah, Yah is not a man that he should lie. I don't worship anything that has genitals.